Is it still a good time to buy a Firestick or Amazon Fire streaming device? With all the drama going on, it's called Vegas OS. I heard that there's going to be a new cube, and I was really excited about that. Only to know that it won't be running like the Android operating system, which is not good at all. So anyway, those of you who live in Blighty, Argus, Argus are doing the Fire Stick for a very good price. The Fire Stick 4K Max. Now this is the only streaming device that I recommend to people. People come up to me, Nick, what shall I get? What shall I get? I said, don't get the cheap Fire Stick. Get the Fire Stick 4K Max. All right, it's faster. It's got more memory and all that stuff. And to be honest, I do have it. I don't use it all the time because my main device is still the Shield, which I always seem to press that Netflix button by accident. And I know I can change the button, but I have Netflix, so I pay for Netflix, so I'm just going to keep that. And also the Fire TV Cube, I've got the 2nd gen and the 3rd gen. So, but at the end of the day, I always use the Nvidia Shield. Right, so Argus is having the sale, and I've just seen the price for the Fire Stick 4K is at, let's have a look. Okay, so we're seeing Argus is selling the Fire Stick 4K at £34.99, and I think that's the cheapest of it. I don't think I've ever bought it that price before. I think the last time I bought one was £50, so that was like, if this is 70, that's like £20 off, but that is pretty good. So I've already added it to my trolley. All right, and then this is the voucher code, or the code you should use, red10, and that will reduce the price even further by, I guess, 10%. So it'll go down to about 36. So I don't know, I did it on my phone. I was about to order 3, but then I'm saying, do I really need it? I don't need it. But I know, we've got birthdays coming up, we've got Christmas coming up, and who knows what's going to happen next year or whatever like that. I think I've already got a couple already boxed up, or at least one. So I don't know if I should go ahead and get. I really don't know, but this is for you guys from the UK. Either you can go down to the store itself and type in red10 and get it for about £36, or do it online. All right. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much.